ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் டாக் ஈஸிலேருந்து ஸ்ரீநாத் பேசுகிறேன். இன்றைக்கி லெசனில் உங்களோட ஒகேபுலரி பில்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ஒரு சிம்பிள் அண்ட் பவர்ஃபுல் கேம் நான் என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட சேர்ந்து உங்களுக்கு விளையாடி காமிக்கிறேன். இந்த கேம் கண்டிப்பாக நீங்களும் வீட்டில் விளையாடி ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த கேமில் யார் வின்னர் யார் லூசர்ன்றதை நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ ஹாவ் அ நைஸ் டைம்.
Hi Smart Cookies. Today we are going to learn how to develop our spoken English through an activity. I hope you all are aware of the game Antakshari. Antakshari விளையாடாம யாருமே இருக்க மாட்டோம். நம்ம ஸ்கூல் டேஸ், காலேஜ் டேஸ்ல எல்லாருமே விளையாடி இருக்கோம். ஸோ யூஸ்வலா அந்தாக்ஷரி விளையாடும் போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஏதாவது ஒரு சினி சாங் எடுத்து பாடுவோம். அது எந்த லெட்டர்ல முடியுதோ குரூப்ல இருக்கிற நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் அந்த லெட்டரை வச்சு ஒரு சாங் தொடங்குவாங்க இல்லையா? சேம் கான்செப்ட் we are going to apply in our game too. இந்த கேம் என்னோட விளையாடுறதுக்கு நம்ம சேனலுக்கு 2 கெஸ்ட் வந்திருக்காங்க. One is Mrs. Rosanna. She is my intimate friend. She is a very talented and efficient teacher. And another one is Mr. Srinath from Talk Easy channel. He has contributed a lot of good contents in his channel. Visit his channel and you will really feel worth subscribing it. And subscribe for more updates. அவரை என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டுன்னு சொல்றதோட என்னோட சன் மாதிரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ நவ் இப்போ நம்ம கேம்குள்ள போயிடலாம். ஸோ கேம்ல ரூல்ஸ் சொல்லிடுறேன். நான் ஏதாவது ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவேன். அது முடிக்கும் போது அந்த எந்த வேர்ட்ல முடிக்கிறேனோ அந்த வேர்டை வச்சுட்டு யூ ஹாவ் டு ஃப்ரேம் யுவர் ஓன் சென்டென்சஸ். அப்படி அது ஏதாவது ப்ரெப்போசிஷன் அந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச்ல வர்ற மாதிரி இருக்கிற சென்டென்ஸ் பார்க்கும்பொழுது நம்ம ப்ராம்ப்ட் பண்ணலாம், நம்மளோட ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணலாம். இந்த ரிசைட் பை அந்த மாதிரி முடிச்சோம்னா நம்ம ரெசிடென்ஸ்ன்ற வேர்டு வச்சு நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணலாம். யூ கேன் பிளே திஸ் கேம் வித் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ். It will develop your vocabulary and you will become more creative and imaginative. You can play individually or with your friends. நிறைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட விளையாடும் போது ரொம்ப ஃபன்னியா இருக்கும். You can enjoy yourself playing this game. So shall we start the game, guys?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Okay, let me be the first one and Rosanna be the second participant and third one be Srinath. Okay. First sentence. A language is the expression of words.
With words, we can bring out a best sentence.
I write a sentence on my notebook.
Notebooks can be bought in all stationery shops.
Stationery shops are nearby my house.
My house is in Chennai.
Chennai is a wonderful city.
City is next to Madurai.
I've never been to Madurai so far.
I don't go far off places.
Places where people live is very important for them to be very harmonious.
Okay. So living life with harmony is very important.
What is very important to live on this planet Earth?
There are 8 planets around us.
Okay. Let us go for a coffee.
I don't have the habit of drinking coffee.
Coffee is not good for health.
I am a healthy individual.
Every individual has to contribute some good things to the society.
The society plays a vital role in our life.
My life is full of surprises.
I do love surprises.
Surprises will always bring happiness to our hearts.
Chocolate is good for heart.
My father has undergone heart surgery recently.
Recently, I went to Coimbatore.
My friends are there in Coimbatore.
Coimbatore is famous for mills.
Mills where the clothes are mills.
Yeah.
Mills where the clothes are being mended.
We must mend our children at a young age.
Whenever people ask about my age, I don't want to tell really what my real age is.
Really, it is amazing.
Okay. Honda City is an amazing car.
Car is very expensive.
Expensive things, we need to keep it very careful.
I'm very careful while driving.
About driving.
I'm
Come
very
again?
careful. I'm very careful while driving.
While driving. Driving is not my hobby.
Hobbies are very important to spend our time usefully.
I read a very useful book.
Books give us more wisdom.
Wisdom brings knowledge too. Knowledge. Start with knowledge.
Knowledge. Okay. I don't have any knowledge about social networks.
I have a very poor network here.
Here,
Yeah.
everybody is happy.
Okay. Happiness is the basis of life.
Basis of life.
Life. Yeah.
Life. So we have to take care of life around us.
We should lead a charming life. I have changed us into we.
Okay. So you want to
Pronoun?
start with we?
Yeah, I have changed the pronoun us into we.
Okay.
We
have-
should lead a charming life.
Okay. So it ends with
Like
life
you have
again.
Srinath has to,
Okay.
yeah, Srinath has to start the sentence with life.
His life is in danger.
It's danger to touch electrical switches. It's dangerous to touch electrical switches.
Electrical gadgets are very dangerous.
Fireworks are dangerous.
Pardon? I didn't get you.
Fireworks are dangerous.
Dangerous games should be abolished completely from our society.
Society brings us knowledge and awareness.
I have no awareness about the ill effects of alcohol.
Drinking alcohol is a bad habit and it does not give you good health.
Maintaining good health is very important nowadays.
Nowadays, I go to bed very late.
I don't accept late replies.
Reply very soon. It's getting late.
Again, you have ended with late.
So when I run late to office, I usually take a bus.
Okay. Buses are good transport. It facilitates us to transfer from one place to another. It helps us to travel.
To go from one place to another place, take any kind of mode or a transport.
I ended the word travel, ma. Buses helps us to travel.
Okay,
You
so
have to
you're
start it.
supposed.
Travel.
Travel is the
Okay,
word for you,
fine.
Rosanna.
Okay. I like traveling.
Okay. Traveling is not my thing.
Not my
Thing.
cup of tea.
Thing.
Not my
Thing.
thing.
Yeah.
We go to groceries to buy things.
Okay.
We go to grocery shops to buy things.
Okay.
Things are very important to purchase and keep it for ourselves.
Okay. So I have to start with ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay. We cleaned this house ourselves.
Again, ourselves. We ourselves have started this channel.
Channel is the mode where you can just go ahead with all the resources.
Okay.
Resources. You have
when-
to start sentence with resources.
Okay. So we have many resources to feed the people.
So people can be benefited by watching Srinath's channel. Again, channel.
channel could be subscribed.
Okay. I've subscribed to many channels.
So we do love watching channels that is full of entertainment and the channels that give us widen our knowledge.
Vital knowledge is very important just to know the depth of the. Cut it.
All right.
Okay,
I have
Rosanna
heard
is
of
out of the game. So game is to be continued between Chitra and Srinath. Is it okay?
Out.
Okay, out of the game.
But Rosanna can also help me if I run short of words. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fine.
Okay, you both of you are in one team now, and I am
One-
just all.
Now
All
I
right.
am in the wild card round.
Okay.
You help me.
Yeah. She will help me with the
Fine.
game. Okay.
Both of you are planning against me. Okay. No
You can
problem.
start. You can start with a fresh
So-
sentence, probably.
Fresh sentence. Okay. When this pandemic will get over?
Okay. Over is the word. Time is over.
Over. Birds are flying over the mountains.
Okay. The sun rises above the mountains.
We can have a clear view of mountains from this spot.
Okay. The accident happened at this spot.
Spotting a deer in a forest is very difficult.
It's difficult to crack IELTS.
Crack?
Okay, I'm sorry. It's difficult to crack this exam.
It's difficult to crack this exam. So examination is a piece of cake for me.
Okay. So
For me. You can start with I.
okay. So
Okay.
I'm a man.
So man is an immortal animal or a mortal animal.
Okay. So I love animals.
Animals are more loyal than human beings.
Okay. Human beings live for around 70 years.
I am 51-year-old.
Okay. So I have an old mother.
Mother or second goddess.
Goddess. Okay. I'll start with God. Okay. So I pray to God every day.
Every day I go to school.
Okay. I don't like school.
School is a wonderful place where knowledge is imparted to children.
Okay. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November.
On November 4th, we are going to celebrate our Diwali.
Okay. Diwali marks the death of Ravanasura.
Ravana. Ravana is the character.
Okay. You can start with death.
Ravana is a villain.
Yeah.
Death is inevitable.
Okay.
Death is inevitable.
That's great.
One cannot avoid death.
Okay. So you want me to start with death again?
Yeah.
Okay. The death of Jayalalitha is a big loss for Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu is famous for temples.
I don't go to temples.
I love going to temples.
Okay. Many temples were built many years ago.
Years ago, inscriptions were carved on the rocks.
Cards. What is it?
Carved. C-A-R-V-E-D. Carved.
Okay, carved. Okay. I love vegetable carving.
So inscriptions are carved on the rocks in temples.
Okay. So I stumbled upon a rock.
Rocky mountains are really admirable.
Okay. I admire the acting of Yogi Babu. Okay, so I
Yogi
shouldn't
Babu.
name. You can start with. Okay, I'll give you another sentence. Okay.
It's okay. Yogi Babu is the best comedian.
Yeah.
No
Definitely.
problem.
Okay. So I watch comedy movies.
You are also not going to give up, and I'm also not going to give up. So
Yeah,
shall we
so-
put an? Shall we stop the game?
Yeah,
So
definitely.
finally, it is going to become a warfare there.
Viewers also will get bored to watch the game for a long time. So I
Alright.
think all the three of us are winners.
Definitely.
And Rosanna has voluntarily, she has given up
Yes.
the game. Yes.
And we will just
You
come
are
to know how
you
to
are-
play the game. If
you
one
are
is down,
deliberate.
they will come to
Yeah.
know how to play the game and end up with that.
Yeah. So you have deliberately given up the game. I know very well. So all the three of us are winners today. Thank you for joining me and thank you for playing the game. So it was really an amazing game to play with you all, guys. So friends, viewers, subscribers, please, you also try to play this game with your friends and relatives. It will be really interesting and will be more funny. And you can develop your vocabulary. You will become more creative, I bet you. And now I pass on the mic to Mr. Srinath.
Yeah.
Would
And
you like to say something?
yeah, definitely. And இந்த கேம்ல வந்து நம்ம எண்டிங் வேர்டை வச்சு நம்ம ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் ஃப்ரேம் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணோம். ஒருவேளை இது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்பவே சேலஞ்சிங்கா இருந்ததுன்னா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியர் வெர்ஷன் ஆஃப் திஸ் கேம் கூட நீங்க விளையாடலாம். எண்டிங் வேர்ட் இல்லாம எண்டிங் லெட்டரை வச்சு கூட நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சன் ஷைன்ஸ் இன் த ஈஸ்ட் ஆர் சன் ரைசஸ் இன் த ஈஸ்ட்னு ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா ஈஸ்ட வச்சு நீங்க ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணணும்னு இல்ல சென்டென்ஸ் டீயை வச்சு எது வேணா நீங்க ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியர் வெர்ஷன். இதையும் நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
Yeah, beginners can try this level. Intermediate la irukravanga, you can try with the words. That's nice.
Definitely. And thank you so much for inviting us to this program. Actually,
Pleasure is mine.
definitely,
Pleasure is mine.
I've actually admired you, even before I started, my channel. So, epi pananondradhu theriyadhu. You seem to be very natural to me. So I really like the way you
so
teach
much.
your children. And இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்ன அப்படின்னா நீங்க அந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு கவர்மெண்ட் சில்ட்ரனுக்கு நீங்க கத்து கொடுக்குறீங்க. So that is really a wonderful job that you're doing.
Thank you so much. So thank you for joining once again. Razana Miss, thanks a lot for being with us here. And thank you,
My
Srinath.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you for guys. Thank you for watching. Meet you all in the next video.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye guys.